Central, representing Latagan Boxing Team, and Indio Helwano. And representing his opponent, also weighing 28 kilograms, representing Brilliant Boxing Team, Janjan Talaman. Scheduled 3 rounds of archery boxing, 1 per round. Our referee, Carlos Sainz. The judge 1, Lariosa. Judge number 2, Joe Leste. The judge number 3, B. Sainz. I would like to thank our major sponsor, board member, Joeman Cano Serego, Vice Mayor Raprak Rafael, Councilor April Babon, Barangay Chairman Eladio Ablot Jr., Kanawa Edgar speaking. Thank you very much for tutuloy this event. Sige, first round ha? First round pa lang na pure ko ay na. Sabi ni Sir na okay. Yeah! Tara, sumpag! Tingnan mo sumpag mo ito. No. Nasa first round mo tayo. Let's that time. 10 seconds. Stop. And the first round. Second round. Second round na po tayo. Against Silvano and Jessica. Next ball, prepare Michael Macabales and Ricoy Patsy. Macabales, red corner, Patsy, blue corner. Oh. Sumbak! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are favorite boxing team, big fight, no? AP Digos, Boy Boxing Team, Coco Ardiola, Armen, Pinamato, Itauman, Kinapawan City, and also Coco Mars Atipas. Ako na yung mga team. Ayan. Sumbag. 10 seconds! Pati na ang tibay! And our second round. Beginning of last and final round. And last and final round of boxer. Sumbag na, ubos ba isa? Last round, paano mag-out kung hindi mo sumbag? Sumbag! Ha? Okay. Matira matibay. Sino malakas? Boxer Helwano nasa red corner and Janjan Talaman naman nasa blue corner. Okay na. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds na. Sumpag. And the last and final round. Amateur boxing, we have a winner by unanimous decision. In the red corner, Emilio Helwano.